At first glance, these nearly leafless apple orchards may look abandoned, but this is actually the peak of the harvest. The apples are intentionally left on the trees until late in the season, allowing them to reach maximum maturity. As the leaves disappear, the trees redirect their remaining energy into the fruit, increasing sugar levels to around 16 degrees Brix, while producing larger, heavier apples. Unlike premium table apples, these fruits are grown for one purpose: processing. Their skins may be less perfect and their texture softer, but their rich sweetness makes them ideal for producing high-quality juice, cider, and vinegar. For growers, it's not about appearance. It's about extracting the maximum amount of natural sugar from every hectare, with yields reaching up to 60 tons per hectare. Once the apples reach peak ripeness, the entire orchard is harvested within just 2 to 3 weeks. The fruit is hand-picked or mechanically harvested and transported immediately to processing facilities, preserving the sugars that define its quality. From orchard to factory, every hour matters in transforming these late-season apples into some of the world's most popular apple products.